Okay, Griffin, we're going to try something different now. I'm going to sing a song about Good Night construction site, and I'm going to sing the song and we're going to read the book at the same time. I hope it works. We'll see. Ready? Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building and make a road to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set and the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed, it's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Good night, crane truck. Good night. Churning all day long, cement mixer sings his song. Now he's tired and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin he pours his load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He stops his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place and dumps it
This
with
is a very exciting day for Griffin.
Final load spills on the heat. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed and he locks his gate. He rests his wheels and it's getting late. He dims his lights, shuts his door, and soon he starts to sleep and snore. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade, clears the way to level ground, and fills the air with a monstrous sound. No one's as tough as strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine and stops his tracks. Curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts all night and day, but now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls up on his bumpy tracks, pulls up his boom and stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Good night, excavator. Good night. Big trucks so tough and loud, they work so hard, they're rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing, puffing team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done, turn off the light. Great work today, now shh, good night. Lozano. Is like